video, I am out in the field with a farm that is pretty close to my house here, as they are planting corn and also planting soybeans across the road from each other. First up, they are planting corn with their Case International Magnum 305 tractor, pulling a Kinze 24-row planter. This is a 24-row planter on 30-inch row spacing, so taking about 60 foot per pass. Then across the road from the corn planter, they are planting soybeans running their Case International 385 Quadtrac tractor, pulling a Kinze model 3700 planter. This is a 36-row planter on 20-inch row spacing, also taking about 60 foot per pass. Here they are planting soybeans into last year's corn stalks, and then they are planting corn into last year's soybean stubble. So an every other year rotation on the crops here. Always good to get these video opportunities that are close to home. I actually filmed part of this where I could just fly the drone right from my yard. This was not planned. This just all happened by accident. I was coming home, saw them out in the field here across from each other, and started filming. Now, I have done a few planting and harvest videos with this very same farm over the last few years. However, this is my first time catching their 385 Quadtrac pulling the 36-row Kinze planter. If you've not seen those other videos, I will put the links to some of those at the end of this one. For the rest of the video, I'll go back and forth between the two tractors and planters with aerial and on-the-ground footage. to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.